Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're showing the inside of the Rocket R58 espresso machine. And so to begin with, here's the coffee boiler right here. And down here is a reset switch. You see that little red button back here? It's way back here. So if for some reason your coffee boiler is not heating, it could be that this reset switch got tripped and you unplug the machine and push in that red button. Here is the steam boiler, and this is the water level probe for the steam boiler. So the water level only fills as high as the probe inside. Here's a temperature probe. Here is the vacuum release valve that prevents vacuum from releases the vacuum when you turn off the machine. This is the safety valve. If the machine overheats, the safety valve will release pressure to keep the boiler from blowing up. The water tank, of course. Here's another safety switch right here. And this one is for the steam. This one's for the steam boiler. So if you're not getting steam, first thing to check would be the safety switch. That's the heat. This is the heating element for the steam boiler. And this is the switch for the lever here, the electrical switch that activates the pump when you turn the switch. What else do we have here? This goes to the pressure gauge on the front of the machine. This one right here. So that coil goes right to the gauge on the right. And then we also have a big rotary pump in here. Very nice. And the pressure for the rotary pump is adjusted underneath the machine. So you can see that's the adjustment right there to adjust the pressure. What else do we have? We have a solenoid valve that allows the water to flow in. And goes up there to the steam boiler. Or no, wait, this one goes to the steam. Let's just double check. Yeah, steam boiler. So that's the fill valve for the steam boiler. And then you can see we also have a filter here. So if this filter was to be clogged, or you weren't getting water inside the machine, you could easily check this filter. This one's a little bit dirty, but it's not bad. And yeah, those are the major components of the Rocket R58. This is the expansion valve. And so when the water heats up, when the machine's heating, it allows, if there's too much water in the coffee boiler, it allows it to flow out. And it also calibrates the pressure, helps calibrate the pressure. You can adjust it. Yeah, and those are the major components. You can see how the water flows from the coffee boiler into the group head, and then it comes down through the group head, and then it circulates. So then it goes, once it cools, it goes down through that tube in the bottom, and then back through the coffee boiler. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.